Guys, what is up? Thank you for clicking on today's video here at the Raise Cakes channel. Mother's Day is quickly upon us, but you don't have to make these cupcake designs just for Mother's Day. You can do it for your mom's birthday, or you can just do it just because you love your mom. So with that being said, I am going to be using these soft and chewy cookies, and I'm going to be making fondant toppers for these. Now I am going to just go ahead and use my 2-inch cookie cutter. You can use 3-inch with these because these are 3 inches. So if you have like a little bit more of an elaborate design, you can, if you just need that little extra inch, you can do that with these cookies. But I'm just gonna go ahead and stick to my 2 inches, which are the perfect, for me personally, in my opinion, the perfect cupcake topper size. So I am going to be placing them on top of these cookies. Here is just some of the supplies I'm going to be using. When I am cake decorating, I pull and I get ideas as I go along. So I'll start with this. I may not use all this. I may use all this. I may pull more. I might put some back and get something else. So I did recently just get this mold. I have been wanting this forever and a day, and it was on sale on Amazon. Thank you, Ice Machine. It was on sale on Amazon, and it was just like $5. I think it was even less than that, but I love these ribbon type style roses. I got this for Easter, but I'm like, why can't we make mom a basket with some really cute pretty flowers? So I do have this basket as well. I have this little rose wreath mold, which I absolutely love. Be doing something with that. I really like the style of these letters. They have a very pretty filigree. I've never used this mold. Obviously, it is still sealed. Again, another Amazon find. What I like to do is I like to go on Amazon's deal of the days, and I'll type in fondant molds or silicone molds, and I will go to lowest priced first. And a lot of stuff's on limited time deals, and if you check it daily, you can get some really good finds. Let's go with this next. Now, I did order this from Etsy. These were our little, they were supposed to be keychains, but I popped the keychain piece off of it. So I'm gonna make, this is like a mommy and me mold, and you know, everybody loves this design. So I'm gonna try to figure something out with this. If I don't use it in this video, I may do a separate video just using this mommy and me. And then of course I have a Fondant Debosser and a Fondant Embosser. Now the Embosser pushes down in the fondant, and this will be pushed down in, and then this one, it will be inverted up. So there's that. And then a fun fact, there is actually a clear, which I didn't know until the last video, the Easter ones that I used, there's actually a clear plastic on these, and I had no idea. So I was using it with the clear plastic on it. So I don't know if that had any effect on my cupcakes and stuff, but yeah, so make sure you peel. This one doesn't have it, but make sure if you do find the debossers that you peel the plastic off of these. So, oh, I also have these little embossers that you push down in the fondant. I have the M and the O, of course, for mom. So without any further hesitation, let's get this show underway. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for this Mother's Day cookie video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. Remember, you don't have to make these with fondant. You can also make modeling chocolate and put them on top of a cookie. You can also put them on top of a cupcake. I just decided today to put them on top of cookies. I really honestly don't know which one is my favorite. I want to say this one. I love how this wreath came out. It was a little time consuming, but I loved how the wreath came out. This is not my favorite. I should have used the dropper with the airbrush color and filled it in, but instead I used markers, and I don't think it looks the neatest, but I do like it nonetheless. I love these roses so much, these ribbon type roses. I love this. This one's super cute. I was trying to find something that was big enough. My other stampers were too big to do mom, but I did love instead. And then this one's super cool as well. I really like these letters a lot. So again, thank you so much for watching today's video. I truly appreciate your support. Please give this video a thumbs up, and as always, friends, have a most wonderful Mother's Day, and please be kind, because you do not know what kind of battle someone's fighting, so don't be a dick. All right, guys, I love you all oh so very much. Again, happy Mother's Day, and I'll see you in the next video.